There's a lot of beautiful methods to make money online, and today's one is beautiful, guys. It is beautiful. This is how much I've got with this last week. You can do the same, guys. Just follow the steps. Of course, hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, guys, connect to this website, which is called adwallet.com, and here you got a lot of money. And I mean a lot of money. Earn real money online from your favorite brands. Of course, when you reach $10, cash out. No waiting around, guys. It's real cash. It's easy to get paid, and you will just watch video ads and complete online surveys. The more time you invest in this, the more money you will get, guys, and it's pretty easy. Look at the money they're already giving out. That's a lot of money. So when you get here, just make yourself a quick account. Let's not waste time on it, guys. And then you will be amazed by the opportunities that they've got on this website, guys. You can get a lot of money by just watching simple ads. So you just play the ad, and you don't, of course, have to watch the entire ad. You just leave it run in the background, and this is giving you money. There's a lot of money on AdWallet, and it is just that. It is a wallet for ads. Look at this, guys. You will watch a video. You will receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video handpicked just for you. So you don't have to scroll around and search for these ads. You get a text message, and then you will get rewarded when you watch those ads. So you can see minimum of $50 and up to $3 per video interaction. That's a lot of money, guys. You can make a lot of money, guys. You can get additional $1 for every friend you refer. Just go and invite your friends, invite your family, and you can all get the money here. And that's a lot of money, guys. For example, just take a look at this, guys. If you get $3 for each one of those ads, and for example, let's say you watch 8 of these ads during one day, that's $24 for you each day, guys. Now that's crazy amount of money. And if you do that for every day for 1 month, so 30 days in a month, $700. $700, guys, and you just watch the ads and you get a text message. That's some good money, guys. AdWallet is really, really good, guys. $3 for each one of those ads, and you can just let it run in the background, and you can go and make yourself a coffee or whatever. AdWallet is really, really good. I got a lot of money with this, guys, and you can do the same because AdWallet is just simple as that. Of course, you can do it wherever you live in the world, guys. Just download this on your desktop, phone even, wherever you want, and start getting that money. Watching ads, $3 per each one of those, guys. That's crazy, guys. $700 for you, so go and take this opportunity, guys. AdWallet is for anyone. If you want to go, you can see, and all these testimonials are giving us proof that this really works. People just like you love AdWallet. We love it as well, so hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you. Now just take a look at this information. This is how much money has been circulating around for your attention, guys. Brands spend a lot of money just to get your attention, and you don't get a penny out of it. You don't get a penny out of it, but it is time for a change, guys. AdWallet is giving you money for your attention, okay? So I suggest that you go and use it. Get that money for yourself, and then go to cashkarma.io, where you can just complete certain surveys and get money for that, okay? There's a lot of money in here as well, guys. You just have to invest your time. The more time you invest, the more of this PayPal cash you will get, guys. There are even bonuses here, so you can get some extra bonuses when you earn these achievement badges, okay? So when you complete 5 offers, you get that badge, you get bonus. You watch 25 videos, you get another badge, you get that money. A lot of money on this website as well, so you can just get Cash Karma, enter in your phone number in here, and you can get it on Google Play Store, on iTunes Store, and you can see that it is very well rated. Cash Karma surveys on App Store, just take a look at this, 4.4 out of 5, guys. Really, really good. This shows us everything. Cash Karma rewards on Google Play, it has 1 million downloads. So if 1 million people are already using this to get some money, guys, I mean, that speaks for itself. 4.1 out of 5. Really good rating, really good money here as well, so go use it. Of course, use it in a combination with this one, and you will be setting yourself up for success, guys. A lot of money for you from both of these websites. Simple cash, guys, simple cash. Now there is another one, and this one is called getpaid2.com. Earn money every time you go online. Well, we are regularly online, guys, right? We just don't get money for it. Well, it's time to get some money, guys. You can complete surveys, play games even, watching videos, and more. So join free today, enter in your simple information, let's not waste time on this, and then go and do these surveys, do games, quick points, offer walls, whatever you want. Of course, it is very simple. Do these tasks, earn these points, and get paid. You can see that there are really, really fun online games which you can play. There are high-paying surveys as well. well, and these offer wallets are various. So whatever you want to do, just have fun, guys. Remember to have fun while getting this money. You can see PayPal here. You can even get crypto, but if you want to get crypto, you will of course need a wallet for yourself, and this Atomic wallet is really good. I use it. You can see on Trustpilot it has a lot of good reviews, 4.4 out of 5. A lot of people are satisfied. If you take a look at these comments, you will be amazed. And what I really like about this one is that they don't have high fees. So for example, when I go and I want to switch my currency from Bitcoin to ETH, they don't take away my fees, okay? I don't want to waste money on those fees. You shouldn't either, because that's bullshit. These guys don't take away your money. You just exchange, you just withdraw that to PayPal account, whatever you want, or you can just use that crypto to stake it to have some investment for future. Well, you can do whatever you want. Just go and get paid to get paid, guys. Get paid. Now, there are even on this website, which is cointiply.com, there are videos here as well. So when you make yourself an account, this is your dashboard on Cointiply, and you go and earn coins, and then you go and watch videos here. And there are a lot of videos which you can watch for money, and there's a lot of money here as well. You can see that you have Loot TV, Playtime, Jungle Survey, and you have Hideout TV, which is really good. Hideout TV, guys, offers you the opportunity to watch all of these videos and get a lot of money for it. So, for example, if you want to watch this video, you just open it, you just let it run. You don't even have to watch it, okay? No one's gonna ask you what was in that video. You just let it run, and then you just go and do whatever you want until it's over, okay? When it is over, you just go and click on another one, okay? And you can watch whatever you want. You have the search bar here, so you can search for perfect content for you, and you can just go and watch videos until you get rich, okay? A lot of videos, a lot of money. Cointiply is really good, and just take a look at this options. These PDC ads, there says something really crazy. Just look at the way in which you get money on Cointiply on these PDC ads. So for example, you go on certain website, you view that for 10 seconds, and you get that money. So what you have to do, just click on view. You will be redirected to that website which is being promoted, but you don't care what is on this website, guys. You don't care. You just be here for 10 seconds, and then you have to validate your click here on Cointiply. This is like CAPTCHA, like keys, and that's it. You got the money, guys. Now you just go and do all of these other ones and just increase your income. For example, this one is another one, and this requires of you to be 7 seconds here. And that's it. CAPTCHA again, select lockbox, here it is. You get the money. That's it, guys. Cointiply really good. And you can also see that they have Google Play app, so you can just lay on your couch, pull out your phone, and use the app, guys. Just use it on your phone. You don't have to be at your computer. 4.4 out of 5. Cointiply is really good. And if you take a look at this, your hat is gonna spend $1 to $5 for every online survey that you participate in, guys. So $5 for every survey. Just go and use all of these, guys, and I will catch you later. Good luck.